Today, we're going to explain how to use banana peels as a fertilizer for plants. But first, let's explore some of its benefits. Banana peels are a source of nutrients. Banana peels are rich in essential nutrients for plant growth, such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. These nutrients strengthen roots, promote flowering, and boost disease resistance. They stimulate growth. Potassium in banana peels is particularly beneficial as it supports vigorous growth and regulates key processes like photosynthesis, water absorption, and protein synthesis. Number 3. It improves soil structure. As banana peels decompose, they slowly release nutrients and enhance soil structure. This improves water retention, aeration, and microbial activity, creating an ideal environment for plants. They are a natural pest repellent. Studies suggest that banana peels can repel certain garden pests like aphids and slugs. Placing banana peels around plants can help deter these pests. Now, how to use banana peels for plants? Let's explore several ways to prepare banana peels as organic fertilizer for your plants. Chop banana peels and bury them around the base of plants in your garden or pots. This gradually provides nutrients as the peels break down. You can also add banana peels to your compost pile. Along with other organic materials, they will break down to form a rich compost that enriches the soil. Another great idea is to make a nutritious tea by boiling banana peels in water. Let the solution cool, strain it, and use it to water your plants, providing additional nutrients and strength. Finally, you can place uncrushed banana peels on the soil surface as a slow-release fertilizer. As they decompose, they will gradually release nutrients over time. Using banana peels in these ways improve plant health and vigor naturally and sustainably, while reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly gardening practices. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos on gardening. Until next time.